friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's add a little undercover primer to this shell that I got from a lady at a garage sale that said that came from Florida. Anyway, we're going to add that all over the shell, and then we're going to dry until it is completely dry. And I will double check that each time I do it because I want to make sure this is good and dry because we are going to put a transfer on here. So I want to make sure that this is dry as it can be. We're just going to keep adding it, keep drying and keep drying, keep drying, doing all the things. As you guys can see, I'm still drying away and painting away. This is the second coat that I put on here of the paint. Then I'm going to add this. It's called Brie Rose. It is a rose gold metallic from Brie Rose. Or Reese, I'm sorry, Brie Reese. Anyway, I'm going to dry that really, really good. You can get Brie Reese on Amazon. And this is a metallic paint. And I was going to use these wet transfers, but I was afraid that the paint might be too wet. So I decided to go with something else. And I'm over digging for whatever it is that I am going to go with. So I decided to go ahead and add my little pearl legs. Half beads is what they are. They're pearl half beads and made little legs. So that when I put this transfer on, it will not rock everywhere. So here I go. I'm just going to town, putting my transfer on. And I just scratch and scratch and scratch. This is an IOD, one of their, oh my gosh, you guys, Etiquettes, I believe is the name of the book. But y'all, I love it so much. Look at that gold in that pink. Does that not look gorgeous? Y'all, I love it so much. And then I decided to go around it with this bling that I have. So we're just going to take it all the way around the perimeter of this until we get like to that little arm area. And we're going to cut that off, or should I say shoulder area. Then we're going to add some of these half pearls going around the top here. I'm just going to add those in there. And I had to go back because I didn't put as many in there as I thought. So we had to fix that where they would fit evenly. And y'all, I got out of the camera for a second. I'm so sorry that I did. I didn't realize that my phone was not pulled back farther for the video. Anyway, you can still kind of see what I'm doing, but we are off camera. And y'all don't pay no attention to my desk. I've been painting pictures all day and I've got paint all over my desk. And there we go, you guys. Now you can see the pearls and everything we've done so far. I'm adding some y'all, what's it called? That's awful. I can't even remember the name of it. It is my sealer. It is called Force Filled. We're putting Force Filled. Then I put some Mod Podge on there, and I'm adding some of my little diamonds and some diamond dust. This is so beautiful. And for a minute, I thought I messed up the transfer because it is gold, and that gold looked really foggy. But once the Mod Podge started drying, then the gold cleared up as well. So it worked out really good. Anyway, you guys, I've got this white bling that I put on the very back of it. You guys, look how gorgeous this is. I put a starfish on the top, and then I seen this palm tree and I stuck it on top, and you guys, it's so beautiful. Share this out, you guys, and thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.